फैशन का नया ट्रेंड जब एलिगेंस मिले एथलीजर से। मलाइका अरोरा और कुबरा सेठ ने बनाया लैक्मे फैशन वीक 2025 में धमाका। As showstopper for our Elan presents Athleisure redefined by नम्रता जोशीपुरा। ये कलेक्शन द परफेक्ट ब्लेंड ऑफ कंफर्ट और हाई फैशन जो हर फैशनिस्टा के वार्डरोब का पार्ट बनने वाला है। तो आइए डालते हैं इन पर एक नजर।
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons. So it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have worked for Namrata Joshipur. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Rilan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been super. Gee, I think काफी इंडियन अटायर में पहले मैंने वॉक किया। आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना है। सो यस, इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट। बहुत ही कमाल का शो था। माय 3 फेवरेट एफ्स, सो या, ऑल ऑफ देम। How can I live with any one of them? Without any one of them, I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times. I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think athleisure is here to stay.
शो ओपनर भी होता है, पता है हमने शो स्टार्ट ही कर लिया। मतलब इट्स अमेजिंग मैन। आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट सच अ फैंटास्टिक आउटफिट, राइट? It was bright, it was a plum, it was energy, and that's what I think athleisure should be. And I am so glad I was able to open wearing that outfit for Namrata Joshi. I think it's super comfortable. Like अभी ये थोड़ा गर्मी है guys, that's the truth. But what an outfit! Like, can you imagine just like being chill, wearing this, feeling sexy, getting into a plane, traveling wherever? I think that's the beauty of athleisure. It's comfortable, it's fashion, and it's so much style and oomph. And I think everyone's come together. Most importantly, all the outfits are made out of sustainable fashion and sustainable fabric, created by recycling PET bottles. So that's pretty awesome. नहीं यार, you should always be comfortable. आप plane ले रहे हो, जंग लड़ने नहीं जा रहे हो, plane में जा रहे हो. No, I was very confident, and thank you because everyone in the audience is so amazing. And everyone was cheering, and the paps were all there. It was amazing. So yeah, thank you, dude. It's Bhai's film, yeah, Bhai Jan. I'm really excited for Sikandar, and it's going to be fun to have all of us go back into the cinemas and watch a film again. So I'm looking forward to that. And no, I haven't watched the trailer yet. यार मैं packing कर रही थी और ramp पे चलने की तैयारी कर रही थी.
First of all, I want to thank the Rise team, our Elan team, JC, Mr. Sethi, for giving me this opportunity. And this was not a collection for me, this was homecoming for me. I love athleisure, I live in athleisure, so thank you. And the collection, as it's called, Athleisure Redefined, was about elevated activewear that goes from the gym to the lounge to your airport look. And the outfit that Malaika has is from their star fabric, green gold. I even know that. Which is made from recycled PET bottles. That's the fabric.
Wow.
Yes, that entire outfit that you have on is made from green gold, the star fabric,
Wow, that's
which is made from recycled PET bottles.
Wow.
So I've enjoyed working on this collection, and I want to thank Malaika. She's been my fitness role model for many years. So thank you. No one fitted this look better than you. And here, Kubra, who opened the show, is Sisterhood of Kilimanjaro. We've climbed Kilimanjaro, and that's why she opened this show, because she was the perfect person to open the show. So thank you, and
Yes.
Um, I think lots of firsts of the year. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme. That's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm working with Coop, so that's also great.
I love that.
So
Thank you,
yes, thank
Mala.
you so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I have done and I've walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love, and I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Us all a platform. Thank you so much, Reliance, for thinking so much ahead in terms of nature and sustainability. And oh my God, now that I know what I'm wearing, I feel like I'm a genie in a bottle or something. Like, this is so cool. It's my first time ever, as Mala said, like, there's so many firsts. It's my first time ever to walk, to open the show, and to feel so comfortable. I think the last few years we've been talking about how athleisure has become like the stay, feel good fashion statement, and today your collection embodied all of that and more. And now I'm just thinking how I'm going to take these clothes, look this fashionable up in the mountains when we're like struggling.
No, we can do this every time we come out of yoga.
Yeah, and you know, it is not like new for like Mala and me to be like, oh, nice, where's that one from? So, thank you so much for setting the tone for so many years. Thank you for being my friend and my comrade doing yoga. Thank you for like directing so many of us towards fitness, and here we are celebrating athleisure at its best. So, thank you everyone for coming. Thank you.
मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट